If you do want to view all of your clipped coupons and just spin these deals, what you do is you click on coupons just on the home screen under the search bar, where it'll bring you to this page, and you click on saved offers right here. And once you're on this page, you can basically click on any of these offers that you want to redeem. In this case, if I want to redeem this one for this face stuff, you can see I cannot currently redeem it just because I don't have an additional item in my cart, which this coupon actually requires you to have. So I'm just going to add something. You can do this more customizable depending on the coupon that you may want, but you can see right here, now that I've actually applied this coupon, we can actually view this item. And when we go to our shopping cart right here, we can simply click on proceed to checkout, whether you want pickup or delivery. Just keep in mind, all of these coupons do have like a buy 3 items get 1 free type thing, so all of them don't get applied just automatically. I recommend just like reading the description so that you can actually make sure that the coupon you're trying to use does meet the requirements when you're checking out. But you can see if we go to the shop and save right here and click on our cart option, you can actually see it'll bring you to your cart and show you all of the coupons that you have currently applied to your savings. Now you can continue adding them just by going over, leaving the cart and going over to the home screen right here. Again, going to coupons, and you can actually add any of these coupons. Click on your saved offers and click on them and add more items so that you can actually meet the eligibility requirements when it comes to using these coupons. But you can see when we go back to our home screen like so and go to the cart in the top right hand corner, when we're actually ready to check out, all of the coupons will be applied automatically, assuming you meet the requirements. You can scroll down, and I recommend just Googling Walgreens promo codes, which you can just enter in the code right here. Now, keep in mind, not all of them work, but if you can get a coupon code, that's extra savings, just like right off the back, super easy. And we can see when we scroll down, you can see it'll subtract all of your coupons just from your purchase and this estimated total on the screen right here. And if we actually go down, click on proceed to checkout right here. Now, once on the screen, this is only the checkout for when it comes to picking up orders or just ordering them for delivery to your address online. So if you do want to use these coupons in store, what you need to do is we just leave this screen, go to the home screen of our app. What you need to do is you can actually enter in your phone number, assuming you are a Walgreens member. And when you enter in your phone number at the kiosk at checkout, it'll basically apply all of these coupons automatically. After you inform the cashier that you want to spend some of these coupons, they can actually view the list of coupons that you have added just to your Walgreens app, and those will automatically be applied assuming you have them clipped on the app. Or you can actually scan the barcode just by clicking on the barcode option next to the search bar, and you can basically scan this barcode just on the app, and doing so will allow you to actually add these coupons to your purchase when it comes to checkout.